Hey there, I'm calling from Cade, and this is Cadutator. We talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. But in Cadutator, I talk about things in AutoCAD. We go over AutoCAD tutorials. So today we're going to do something that is very simple. It is not something that is overly complicated, but it is something that will improve your drawings tenfold. And we're talking about updating dimensions, changing dimensions, making dimensions more dynamic. So this is an elevation of a clinic I did a while back. One of the poorest designs I ever did. It was one of the first because I did it in a hurry. I did not consult anybody, and then when the carpenter came to work on the space itself. But anyways, why am I babbling? So now we're going to talk about how to modify this text. So let's say right now there's this clearance space of 2 foot 6 inches. If I wanted to put text beneath it saying um, clearance right there, I could just either create a text and put it over there, or I could click on it, right click, go to properties. Maybe next time I'll go over how to modify this, but right now I have everything in here. What I want to do is to go down to text override. See, so even though there's text over here, if I put override, I could say clearance, and if I press enter, it would say clearance, but it doesn't say a 2 foot 6 clearance, it just says clearance. But if we want to improve this, we have to put some information about clearance. So what I'm going to do is, today I'm just going to go over about 6 different options to make that look good. So let's click on this again, press clearance, go here. So if you want to go back to the original one, you just delete, you press enter, it's back to 2 foot 6. But now if I wanted to write something beside it, I would put the greater sign and the less sign, and then I could type clearance and see what happens. 2 foot 6 clearance. But this is not really how we do it in architecture or interior design. That looks pretty bad. It's not really great. So one of the first things I could do is remember that that this and that is always the dimension. So if I wanted to put it maybe let's say below, I would put /P caps P clearance, and I'd press enter, and that is what would happen. So some people like it like this. If you wanted it another way, you could change the P to an X and enter, and then you have this look, which is way more professional than others. If I wanted to change it again and had O, it would look like that. It looks weird, looks different, but some people do that. If I wanted to go with another one, I would put sorry guys, I would put N. I don't know if I've done N yet. I think maybe I've done N, but N would be like that. If I changed the N to an L, the word clearance would be underlined. Just to make you see, the N would be underlined. And then if I wanted to change it to a more funky looking one, I would change the L to an S, and it looks like the power sign, the like meter squared. It will be clearance on top. Is there another one I've done? I think I went over the 6. So there's the X, the O, the N, the S, the L, and the P. All different types of styles, and it depends on the one you want. So that is something very quick and easy. The next video I'm going to go over is how to create your dimension style. But until then, you can use this to make your drawings look much better. So you have the different ones. You can go back in this video to see all the different kinds. And that's it for today. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.